So I'm at the new Hive Coworking space and I've had the chance to redesign the brand identity. So this involved redesigning the logo, coming up with a new color palette, and also choosing the right font or the typography, and then adding graphic elements. It also needed some unique illustrations. I was assigned to get these artworks for various areas in the space. That is the entrance, the cafe area, and 2 for the events room. I won't delve into the nitty-gritty of the redesign process, but I'll just share the thought process behind the overall design. First up, the logo. So it had to be refreshed to appeal to the target audience, and the brief was quite clear. The logo should highlight the connectedness and collaboration of a hive, emphasizing that a beehive is a collaborative entity by nature. The logo also needed to be scalable, clear and readable, and adaptable to different users. The most exciting part was creating the illustration for the walls. We wanted to avoid cliches and excessive text because we've seen too many spaces that are overwhelmed with text. So we decided that only one illustration should have text. So this is for the boardroom, featuring Bongo Hive's mission statement. So the illustrations were designed to be abstract, yet communicating collaboration and community. The aim is to draw you in, making you appreciate the finer details, and not just see them as mere depiction of people that are working. The only exception was the kitchen illustration, which had to be reworked. I was told to ensure that food looked like food and not abstract representation. Hive Coworking Lusaka offers a dynamic and innovative workspace that blends entrepreneurial culture with a state-of-art facilities. It caters to various needs with flexible hot desks, dedicated desks, private offices, and meeting rooms. Additional perks include high-speed internet, free beverages, secure parking, and access to a vibrant community. So if you want a free day pass or a tour of this place, just use the link in the description below. So that is all in today's video. Remember to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.